In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Netflix on your laptop. First of all, click on Windows Start menu and then search Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store search bar, search Netflix. In the left hand side, here is Netflix application. Click on that. Now to download and install Netflix on your computer, click on Get. Wait few moments to download and install. Once install done, click on Open. You will get this pop-up. To create desktop shortcut and pin to taskbar, click on Allow. Now to use Netflix, sign in your account. Click on Sign in at the top right corner. Sign in with your credential. In this way, you can install Netflix on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this one. See you in the next video.